we're going to start off with 2 eggs, half a cup of cooking oil, any kind you like. Don't worry about the ingredients, I'll put them in the description below. Sift this in. Okay, then we're going to put in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, some vanilla extract, and we're just going to mix this together with a whisk. Okay, we're going to put in our batter here. Okay, we're going to add in our cream, our sugar, and a touch of vanilla. That'd be nice. We're just going to mix it. I'll put some of this cream cheese on this. This is some cheesecake filling. Cocoa on this. Okay, we just got done with the cake, and that is beautiful. And we're going to cut us a slice, and then we're going to do a taste test. But I just wanted to let you see that. Look up close at that. Look at the beautiful cake. Okay, we're here, and I'm excited about this because we're going to do us a taste test. This is really moist cake with cheesecake filling. Oh my god, that is so delicious. That is delicious. You gotta try this cake. You gotta make this cake. It is delicious. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel, and if you enjoy my channel, hit that subscribe button, and if hit that notification, and y'all see y'all next time.